All right, guys, this your boy No Chill Chad checking in. I'm at the world famous J-Rod Speed Shop. You see I am right here. And it's got a short video for you guys. So I've been working on my F-body. I got my brakes going. Shout out to Bear, 6-piston front, 4-piston rear. And I got my new wheels coming. They'll be here very, very soon. But I did want to go ahead and give a shout out to also my new partnership, sponsorship, and relationship with a company that you guys have heard from or heard about for a long time. And that's the one and only Toyo Tires, man. So definitely shout out to Toyo Tires for my new tires, for my new setup, new brakes, new wheels, new tires. So what I went with was the Toyo Tire Proxy Sport AS All Season 265, 35, 18. Definitely wanted to go with those for the fronts. And then also I went with the rears, the Toyo Proxys R888R 305, 35, 18. I did go with the all seasons on the front only because I do like to go, I do like to drive out of town. I do like to take little road trips and things like that. And although these tires on the rear, the Proxys R888R, are pretty good actually in the rain or damp conditions, I find a lot of time that the front tires just need to be able to just tread some water out and just help me keep traction to keep the car straight. Otherwise, when you get a little loose on the front, then that's when the rear will kind of kick back out on you, just from my experience. So I try to go with like an all-season tire or a tire that can just take some rainwater, things like that. So there you have it, guys. Just wanted to give a shout out, Toyo Tires. Again, make sure you check out J-Rod Speed Shop, all right? And this is the world famous beast right here. I'm gonna do a review on that car very, very soon. Definitely Toyo Tires. Make sure you check out that merch. If you got a car that's a convertible, T-top, sunroof, got a panoramic roof or target roof, make sure you get one of these no roof gangs, man. You gotta have no roof to understand exactly where we're coming from. So if you support the movement, NoChillChad.com, like, comment, subscribe. Check me out, man, all right? Later.